Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today we are sending over 20 units of rotary screener to America. As you can see, this the rotary screener is a kind of a heavy type screener. Our clients use this screener for separation, construction, stone and sand. As you can see, this size, dimension of this screener, the inside drum screen is 1 meter in diameter and 2 meters in length. And over here, we fit with 20 millimeters sieve. So it can separate the different size material. And this drum can be rotate frequency speed, suitable for different kind of material. And our rotary screener is also a kind of mounting functional working with construction material, with biomass material like wood chips, wood sawdust, for fertilizer material like different kind of animal manure, and this multifunctional rotary screener for many different kind of material separation based on different size. And this kind of rotary screener is a heavy-duty type with a heavy frame and rotary screen. So it is used for many different industries. Okay, everyone, if you like Longzhe rotary screener, please send your requirement to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.